Okay, here's our video review for the end of the month, February. I'll just clear these up, show you there's a nice big lot there, show you the trades that we had today. So we sort of knew from coming into the day that it'd be probably a kind of a range day, because yesterday you can see from the volume profile we had a pretty big day. It was sold off early. And then we sort of come back up into the close a little bit. If you look at the indices as well, we're in a bracket. We tested the bottom of this bracket here, so in theory we should go up and test the other side of the bracket, or at least go to the middle. And so I was sort of feeling generally a little bit bullish on the day, but at the same time I sort of recognized it would be a bit of a range day. And I posted that on one of the forums that I get around to and stuff. So, so here's the trades we had today. I'll just pop them up. Oops, what am I doing here? Series. Okay. It looks a bit scattered, but I'll take you through them one at a time here. So this pattern here, you see quite often. You see a big spike down, and then this little channel. So that's a great one to watch, because a lot of longs get, a lot of shorts get trapped in here, and then they get flushed out when this pushes higher. And that's exactly what we did. We just put a limit order, the stop limit order there, got stopped into that trade. Took our first target at the other side of the VWAP. We pulled back to the VWAP, which is a great spot to raise your stop up to. So we were break even there, and then up and took our second target there. We took a couple more off here because this was a full 4 contracts, so we took another one off here that hit the target. Then we went into a consolidation while we were waiting for the CPI data, unemployment data out of Europe, and then we broke down out of that. Now I didn't get the break on that. I was taking some low risk 1 contract trades here, and I got chopped up a little bit, but they're only 1 contract, so it didn't really worry me too much. Again, it was trading clearly in value at the time, and it was just really not a great thing to do. I should have waited for the news, but it did look like it was going to break, so I took a couple chances on it. And anyway, it worked. I think I lost like $100 on it or something, and then I missed this breakout here because I was doing something else. And then I put a limit order. At the time, the VWAP was right here, and I put a limit order to sell as it come back up the retest. I missed it, and it completely sold off. When it come down through here, it bounced off the first standard deviation, and then I put that's when it popped back up again, and then I put a sell order here, and I got into this trade here, and I took 1 off and then 2 off. This was only 2 contracts. After that, I had to go out, and I was getting ready to go out, and I thought, well, it's come down, and it's actually touched the previous VWAP right to the tick. I mean, to the tick. And usually with a VPOC is here, then I'll be careful of that first, because it'll usually tap that and then tap the VWAP here, and that's exactly what it did, and it right to the tick. And then we bounced up, and it would have been a great trade. I had to get out because I had to go get some things for dinner, but turned out to be a great trade. Played the VWAP all day long. You could just trade out these VWAPs. So, and that's what we do with our trading, is just use a VWAP. And of course, we use the depth and sales from Jigsaw. Jigsaw products are really good too, as you can see, to follow. And these little hollows and stuff on the profiles gives us some areas where price can be rejected as well. So we try to marry them all together in our trading anyway. So good day today. We had a total of cumulative ticks was 30. So we had 30.46 cumulative ticks today on our FDAX. You can see here. Yeah, so there we are, 30.46. Okay, so that's our profit for the day. We probably could have done a little better if we hadn't been a little bit busy in and out and stuff, but and if we got fills where we should have and we didn't get caught in the chop, but those are the things that we have to write down for, not to do next time. So anyway, that's it for now, and we'll do another update next week we start. All right, cheers, bye.